Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we will learn trigonometry exercise 11.2. In that second problem we will see second one. Second one is given like this. Choose the right option. Choose the right option and justify your choice. So this is like a MCQs. Okay, so in that first one you see, in that second one, first one, 2 tan 30 degrees divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. This answer we need to find. 2 tan 30 degrees divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. And options are given like this. Okay, so option A, sin 60. Option B, cos 60 degrees. Option C, tan 30 degrees. Option D, sin 30 degrees. So in these options we have to choose the right option and justify the answer. Solution. How to find? So first we will write what they gave in the problem, that is 2 tan 30 degrees divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees equals to. So now we need to substitute these values. Okay, tan 30, what is the answer? Tan 30 we have to know, that is 2 into tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. Tan square 45 is nothing but tan 45 whole square. Tan 45 degrees square we have to write. Okay, equals to 2 into 1 by root 3, we can write 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan 45 answer. Tan 45 answer is 1, so 1 square equals to 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1. 1 square is 1. Then 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is written as 2 by 1. Okay, so then 2 by root 3 into 2 by 1, write in numerators, reciprocal we have to write, 1 by 2 we have to write, 2 cancel. So finally the answer is 1 by root 3. That is the answer we will get, 1 by root 3. Now this 1 by root 3 in the given options, for what we will get, we have to check. Sin 60 is, what is the answer? Root 3 by 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. Sin 30, 1 by 2. So tan 30 is the answer for this. Okay, so this is nothing but 1 by root 3 is nothing but 1 by root 3 is nothing but tan 30 degrees. So now which is the correct answer? This one, option C. So whatever they give, we have to simplify. After simplification, we got this answer. 1 by root 3 we got. This 1 by root 3 is nothing but tan 30. So option C we can write. Okay. Thank you.